Hello everyone, today we're going to unbox this. This is a gadget that I will need for my YouTube channel. So this is from Amazon. I bought this from there, and this is not a sponsored video. So let's check what's in this box. So this is the holder. I'll try to use this one. It's my first time. Actually, I don't have this gadget. I'm already 3 years in YouTube. Yeah, almost 3 years or something like that. But I still don't have this one stand. So I think this is a selfie stick. Oh, that's fine. I don't need a long handle. Yeah, you can extend it. Ah, I can extend. That's good. So this is the one first in the box. First this one. And this one. I don't know how to use this one. And this one. And they have this white one. I have this white stuff. I don't know, maybe this is to be charged? No idea. I'm excited with this light. I thought you can put it in the phone. I can put it, maybe this is the phone, you put the phone here. I have to put it here maybe. Yeah, that's it. And this is the most important one. I need this microphone. I hope this will fit on my phone. So this is what I need, the microphone, because I feel like my microphone is not good. So this is the one, the most important thing that I need, because I used to do like reading in my most of my video. Let's check if it will fit on my phone. Oh, thank you. That's it. That's good. That's good. I hope it will work. So at least I put it here. It fits. So that's what I need. This is my old phone, but I used to edit my videos here. I don't want to edit it with my laptop. So yeah. So I like the product. So these are the product I'll take video, and I'll show you what it is. So this is the light, the cover stand, phone holder, and I don't know what's the name of that connector. This is the phone, microphone, and the instructions. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.